Hello there, my name's Anthony. I would like to offer you a lithium battery that you can construct and service yourselves. It's compact, robust, durable, cheap, efficient, high-powered, and it's really good for workshops and garages. So this is the easiest lithium building technology because you can build it in about 15 minutes. You can arrange all the batteries the same way up, which also means that it's very safe. It can handle more current than high-quality welds because the copper is 450% more conductive than weldable nickel. The round silver pieces are heavy-duty electrical contacts which are completely protected by insulation. They are motioned on a rail guide for precise placement. The electricity travels right through the copper bus bars, and the springs are just mechanical. Advanced users can rearrange these contacts into many different geometries. You can fit the lid on and off when you want and change things around. It's recyclable for 20 to 50 years, and it's intrinsically cheaper than current lithium packaging technologies which use technical welding. We would like to open source the files so that people can 3D print them and buy interchangeable pieces from different sources. You can build a box as fast as cooking an omelette. It's so easy and safe that I can build this wearing a blindfold. I can do it without even seeing what I'm doing. To compare that, this lithium battery took 6 hours to build, is hazardous and requires special knowledge, a soldering iron, spot welding equipment, and the result is completely stuck together so it's less recyclable. This is very good work. Well done. This can be a disruptive technology. Greta Thunberg is getting depressed and I'm worried for her, and this is the kind of thing which is great for fighting fossil fuels, is helpful to the green energy industry and development, is helpful to health and wildlife. It's possible to use thermochromic, colour-changing materials under the lid so that you can see the temperatures in the box, a bit like using an infrared camera. A breadboard. It's a high-powered optional switchboard that you can rewire into different arrangements, different voltages, and add the BMS USB. It reduces price, it gives you flexibility because you can put every kind of equipment that you want and you can customize any box and change it over time. It's also my job to study the production chain science and the economics in very great detail. So I have, and the project is ready to go as soon as I have investment. I've also done this for people that live in the third world that need our help as first world people with a lot of technological power. Please help me make this technology a reality so that I can help others. Please send this video to friends, and please visit the website and write your email in the sign-up form. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Have a very good day. Muchas gracias. Dankeschön. Danvayad. Gangzini. Nagode. Domo arigato. Kamsahamnida. Bolshoye spasibo. Cheslo.